Hey guys, this is Cody with Homestead, and I just wanted to show you my brooder setup, from the other day when I had all the parts up there on display, kind of see what it looks like in action. I gave the chicks a few days to acclimate. I didn't feel like it was cool to, get them in the mail and then, start recording videos and stuff around them, trying to give them their peace so they can hang out and, feel a bit more at home. But anyways, just getting right back into it. You can see here we have our two feeders. This is, the food feeder, water feeder. Just for the water feeder, the only thing I could say that, I'm looking for something to put it on. Ideally, it's a little bit elevated out of the cedar shavings, just so the chicks can't get, shavings into it. They're normally not scratching a lot at this age. But once they start scratching, it's going to be a lot more cedar shavings in there, and you really do have to police it to make sure everything's going well and not just clogged up with cedar shavings. Over here, we got the light that I showed you. I'm really been impressed with this thing. It's been holding up for so long, and it does so good. Just right under here is all nice and warm, and the chicks, they sleep underneath there at night, and they kind of cuddle up into a little chicken pile. So that's been super cute to see. Just a little side note, the little chick you see with the black dot on their head, that's our rooster. So I had the hatchery mark him so that we could tell who he was and just kind of keep tabs on him, because there's 8 chickens, there's 7 soon one day hens, and 1 rooster, and if anything happened to him, I wanted to make sure I knew if he passed away or was getting sick or something, because he's the only one we got. And as you can see, kind of going back to the point of the video, the brooder setup here, the Craftsman tote is just so great, man. It gives the chicks plenty of room, gives the chicks the ability to kind of go to all the sides of their feeder and water. One thing about the feeder and water is that if chicks are crowded and they're side by side, they do have a tendency to kind of peck at each other's eyes, and you can have chicks that end up with missing eyes or damaged eyes if they're not able to kind of spread out and eat and drink. So kind of just having it off the wall, this one needs to go a little bit more here, allows for the chicks to kind of eat and drink from all 360 degrees of the feeder and water. But yeah, the tote, it gives you plenty of room to set up that. I don't have a super deep mulch in right now. Like I said, I just want to get them set up and kind of get them acclimated. We're doing a mulch change tomorrow to keep the, get the waste out and make sure everybody's happy and healthy. We have been just kind of handling the rooster a little bit, just to make sure that, we start at an early age letting him know that, we're cool and he's cool. Hopefully, I've never had a buff Orpington rooster. For those of you that do know, buff Orpingtons are like dogs. For those of you who don't, buff Orpingtons are literally super friendly. They're the most delightful chickens I've ever dealt with. They'll jump on your shoulder. They truly are the closest thing to a dog and a bird I've ever seen. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. This was a quick one. I'm not even going to really edit this. This is more or less just kind of seeing what we have set up. And I owed you guys a video the other day. I always want to try to keep the content coming and stand by my word when I say I'm going to give you guys a video. But I just wanted for the birds' well-being. They were in the mail for, I think it was like a day and a half. And I wanted them to, have a day or 2 off so they could relax and kind of, feel good. Birds are livestock, but it's our job and it's our responsibility to take care of them. So, that's my personal decision. Sorry for the TED Talk there at the end. Just want people to know where I'm coming from. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions, please let me know. We're going to take on the next video, we're going to take the next top 3 comments. So feel free to post whatever you want. If you got a question you want to ask me, put it in the comments. If you just want to say something, if you want to tell me I'm doing a terrible job and there's something I could do better, be constructive, but I'll take it. But anyways, this has been Cody with Homestead. Out.